Or was it before?
Hi. Hey Scar Squad, welcome back. Today I'm going to be opening these two mini L.O.L surprise families. This is series 1, so we're just going to get straight into opening them. So it's red and blue. Let's open it up. So these here, these backgrounds are meant to try and give us a hint, but they don't really help me. So we're just gonna pull them out. So here is our first one. Let's see. We have got Busy BB. Go ahead and open these two next, in which we shall get Can Do Baby, and that means the pet we should get is Can Do Kitty. Let's see. Yes, it is. Got Can Do Kitty. So that's that, and then we've got these three here. So we're gonna these three things here. So let's open. We've got a stand. We're probably getting 3 stands. See. Oh, we got 2 stands and a little bag. So you can stand up. You like that, and this one like that, and then the kitty is just chilling and she's got her bag. So we're going to put the feet and the charm on this. I'm going to close this up, put this foot, which doesn't want to go in unless it, I think it goes on this side. I'll be back once I've got the legs and keychain in. So here they are in their little house. I think they look very cool. But now what we're going to do is open our second one. So we're going to put our people in. I'm going to put the pet in there. And we can just close it up. And it just stands like that. So basically it's portable. Now let's open this one. This one is the same dark blue as this one, but light blue as well. So it's like a double blue. I'm gonna pull it off like this. And we're gonna open it up. Oh, this one's cool. It's got like a hole. It's got a hole. So no stirs exist in this one. And it looks like a party of some sort. Let's get our 3 surprises out. And so you guys can see. So we've got our feet and everything. Let's open this up. we got Miss Glam. And she has the prettiest hair ever. Move on to this one. Got the Miss Puppy, which means we're gonna have Miss Baby next in here. We're gonna have Miss Baby. Now we're gonna open up our little surprises, which is probably 2 stands and an accessory. Let's put them in the stand. This one looks like a stand as well. Put this in. And this is an accessory, in which is a bag. So what we are going to do is attach the clip and the feet, and then I will show you. So here is the second one. If you're wondering where the puppy is, it's in here, in the hole. Well, now time to close this one up. I'm gonna do that. So here are both the toys that we opened today. The ones in here are a popular, and the ones in here are an extra. I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did, smash like, hit subscribe, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss any new videos. And I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.